Hey, what's up, everybody? Here, Ivan. Good morning. How are you? I'm gonna make this quick video so you can make money on YouTube. Free traffic methods. Super easy. Not easy, but it takes a little bit of time, but on the long run, it's worth it. So you can make money. Just playing. Yeah, it's up consistent, persistent on this game online. That's what I do. That's why I make money on complete autopilot. So the first month on consistent and then let it run on a complete autopilot. And that's why I'm making a lot of sales and everything. That's why you've been seeing my screenshots and everything. But yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube, free traffic methods. This is my brand new ClickBank account. Brand new. So it's brand new. I'm gonna do a test. Usually I go to right here, marketplace. What I promote the most, self-help, is periodic. This one is awesome. Motivational and everything. Spiritually new age and alternative beliefs. This is awesome. You wanna kill it? Awesome. Just go right here, results. Go right here, gravity. Sorry about my mommy voice. I just woke up. Go with this one. Promote this one. This one is the most selling online. Or this one. $31 per sale. But yeah, it's something we're gonna do a video about more ClickBank. But you saw that I have zero, nothing. Later you're gonna see like I'm gonna have like in a month, like I don't know, 30K from these strategies, new strategies that I just learned. Like this one, this software is freaking awesome. It's freaking awesome. I'm just gonna do an autopilot. Usually I use it for Amazon. This is my incomes and everything in Amazon. I'm not gonna show you everything because it's more private for me. But usually that's what I make with this software. Amazon. I'm gonna try to explain you how it works and everything on this software. You just gotta steal videos on YouTube and put your own. It's freaking awesome. I don't know. I gotta do more private on this video, on this software. It's called. It's right here. I'm affiliate to them, but if you want to join my team, cool. Usually, it's freaking awesome. It's a lot of details to give you. It's like how do you say it? Okay, this software copies everything on YouTube, all the videos that you're promoting on your niche. Let's say example, you're promoting on cell phones. They will download all the videos on cell phones, and you gotta make a YouTube channel first, and then they will put it on your YouTube channel, and that's it. You gotta be posting. This software is freaking awesome. I don't want to give you a lot of details because you're gonna get lost. To be honest, this software is for Amazon. If you have, that's how I do an Amazon associates affiliate. But this software, you just gotta put on your Amazon account, your Bigly account, and that's it. And download all the softwares on the most views, the most that have a lot of views, and when you're promoting, Like, let's say you're promoting cell phones, like I told you, technology. They will download on your channel everything, like a snap, 15 videos a day, and that's it. That's what YouTube likes. If you promote a lot of YouTube videos, that they'll rank it more faster. Your channel. That's what a lot of people don't know. They think that just by doing a one video review, they're gonna tags and everything. Now that shit doesn't work no more. YouTube likes it when you download a lot of videos at once, schedule it, and they will put it in front of YouTube. A lot of people think, I'm gonna do one a day. No, do 100 a day, and YouTube will put it in front of every what niche are you promoting. So right here, you're gonna steal this software. You're gonna steal everything from every niche. Like this one is from Amazon, mostly this software, but you can do it on ClickBank. And everything I'm doing on ClickBank is working like a charm. This is a brand new account, so you're gonna see my results later. I'm gonna have like 30K in a month, but this software is freaking awesome. I just got it. I was looking for this for a long time. I got a lot of softwares, to be honest, but this is freaking awesome. You want to do your own research? Awesome. Oh, 20 product videos in less than 2 minutes. Awesome. Freaking awesome. It's mostly for Amazon. When you purchase the product, they will tell you, hey, what's your account for Amazon affiliate or associate? You just put it right there, and they will do the job. They will extract all those videos, and they will put your link. You don't have to do shit. You just relax. Just put your niche. Create a new YouTube channel, and that's it. If the niche is on technology, just put in technology, and they will download all the most that have views and everything. They will do, the software will do everything for you. So you're like, oh, this is freaking awesome. I like the software. On Amazon, it's all about new products like this one is showing. Amazon is freaking awesome. Associates, it's one of the best. But I hearing that they have some issues right now. But we still have Google Adsense, and ClickBank making autopilot money. So on Google AdSense, what I do on Google AdSense is just copy videos on YouTube and do commercials like those ads, the most trending ones. I'm not gonna show you that because I'm just learning that. So, but I'm banking. I'm not banking a lot, but it's cool. 680, whatever. Starting. How it works and everything on Google AdSense. You can make a lot of videos. That's why I like this system, this software, because you can download a lot of trending videos, and you can put your voice and everything, so it won't be copyrights. But I know what's up. You can do it on Creative Commons, something different. But Google AdSense is a little bit different. If you don't know what you're doing, you may get your account shut down. But I'm banking. I don't care. I'm banking at least. I'm starting with this, but yeah, I knew about this, but I know Google AdSense is a little bit tricky. But Amazon, when it's Amazon, it's easy. ClickBank, more easier, the best. You can even a newbie can make a lot of money on this. So I'm gonna make 30 days. Yeah, I gotta make a 30 days or 60 days. You can see that on this brand new account, I'm gonna have like, I don't know, 60K in two months. I know what's up. Only with the software. So yeah, people, um, I'm learning new strategies and everything. So for free traffic methods, so you can guys take action and everything. If you want to follow me and everything, I will teach you. But take action. Just don't be on the sidelines and watch. No, tell me, I want to take action. I'm tired of my 9 to 5 job. I want to take action in this, and maybe I will help you. You see a lot of people tell me that, and then they don't take action when they purchase or give them for free, everything for free, softwares and everything, or courses. They don't take action. Just you asking for help. Hey, I told them, hey, you got it for free. What the fuck? They say, I don't have time, and this, stop that nonsense. You really want to kill it? Take action. That's what I'm asking, and that's it. Just keep your head up, people. Don't get discouraged on this. I know there's a lot of shit involved right now online. Me too. I get like, oh, what the fuck am I getting involved on that? Sometimes I get, I realize that, I realize fast, I'm not gonna focus on this and this and this and this. I got shit. I can make a lot of money for free traffic methods instead of promoting, convincing people to join my team, BizOps, MLM. I get all the shit all the time from entrepreneurs on my email, Facebook. Hey, I got this new system and this. I said, oh, okay, let me check it out. I get excited but nah, I said, fuck that. I could make it happen, but nah. I said, hell no. Usually I stick most with the free traffic methods, or when you don't have to recruit people and all that, is more easier. When you have to recruit, it's a lot of closing, sales, and everything involved. You gotta talk smooth with the people and everything so they can join you. You gotta be a smooth talker and everything. So I don't like that kind of shit. That's why I got involved in CPA marketing, pay-per-call, local business, and all that good stuff online that you don't have to recruit or convince people to join your team. So that's my mentality. If you don't like it, cool. But I know what's up. I know how to drive traffic and everything. But yeah, this video, I might do an update video next week on my stance on ClickBank. My stance is 0 right now. So I might have like 10K or something. And I'm gonna show you free traffic ways how I do it and everything. So stick around, alright? See ya. Thanks. Bye.